Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is another content, stationery and fountain pens na content. So may dumating na package and I just want to go through kung ano yung mga dumating. So this is the Kaweco 6 ink cartridge. Bali, before ako bumili ng isang jar of ink, kasi it's relatively mahal din around 500 plus. Sabi ko, try ko muna itong ink kasi nakakuha ko ng mura lang, para 140 yung 6 cartridges na. So I ordered this because I decided to keep this sunrise orange color dito sa aking Kaweco. So i-maintain ko tong color na to, and I decided na since madami pa akong generic black inks, yun ang gagamitin ko sa other pens ko. So, ito, matagal na siyang hinihintay. Ang aking traveler's notebook. Finally, it arrived. So, disclaimer lang, I think this is not the original traveler's notebook na from Traveler's company. So, I just was browsing kung ano yung cheapest option na nakita ko, and this is parang more than 50% cheaper than the original. So I went for it. Sabi ko, first time ko naman mag-notebook o mag-journal. So bahala na, kumbaga. So here it is. Ito yung dumating. It came with parang nakabalot sa this is cotton something. No, it's not cotton. Parang pouch. Alam ko kasi usually cotton bag na maliit yung kasama niya, but I'm not really sure. And then this is it. Ano nga bang color nito? Camel. Ito yung camel na color. So hindi siya as yellow na in-expect ko. So tingnan lang natin what's inside. So this is the notebook. Yan, just paper. Tapos, iba rin yung ano niya, the way. Hindi siya kagaya talaga ng traveler's notebook. Kasi, siguro yun yung one of my regrets. Na sana original na lang yung nabili ko. But it's fine. This looks good rin. So, meron siyang parang pang-bind. And I think you can actually put your pen here na Okay? So, tingnan natin kung anong laman niya sa loob, guys. Pero like Traveler's Notebook, I think pwede mo pala i-customize kung ano yung laman niya. Yan. Although, parang mahihirapan ako i-figure out on my own kung paano ito makakustomize. But what's good is, meron na siyang kasama. Meron siyang dotted. Hindi pala dotted. May, dito? May lines, square lines. And then, meron siyang ito, pwede mo lagyan ng mga paper. Meron siyang ruled. And then, meron siyang isang black. So, yun yung laman lang niya, guys. Ano bang charm na kasama? I think may kasama siyang oh, ito. Meron siyang plain charm na pwede mo ilagay dito. Ilagay ko siya dyan later. So, hey guys, this is not original, but I'm gonna use it for the meantime. So, ang original na nakuha ko sa Traveler's Company is, ang idea kasi guys is, ito yung notebook, tapos you can actually customize it. Tapos ito kasi yung dalawang una kong binili. Isang monthly na free diary at saka isang free diary na weekly. So, tinan lang natin kung ano naman. So, ito yung original guys, kompleto with the documentation and stuff. So, ang tawag dito is mga refills. Ayan. So, ito yung gusto ko, or you can like plan per week. So, this is ilan nga bang weeks to. Basta covered nito is around 6 months. And then, ito namang monthly is I think it's good for 1 year. But 12 months. So yun guys, I will tinker with it. With the ko, pero I'm happy dito. Although sabi ko nga, sana pumili na ako ng original. I-figure out ko pa on how to paano i-incorporate ditong dalawang refill sa kanya. But, yun na yan. Join me sa aking journaling and traveler book journey. So guys, please subscribe, and if you have questions, don't forget to just comment below and I will answer all of them. See you in the next one. Bye mga ka-techies!